Ito pala yung kaaway ko sa show. Nag-no ako 2-3 times. Sabi ko, ayoko ng ganyan.
Hello guys! We are here in Viva Cafe and kaya kami nandito kasi meron akong vertical series na lalabas na. It's called Akin Ka Lang. Kasama ko sila Rihanna Escano, Albi Casino, and many more. So I'm so excited to go inside and say hi to them. And let's go! Hello! Hello! This is Rihanna Escano. So she's basically the kontrabida in our series na Akin Ka Lang. And of course, our director! Ito ang director namin dito sa vertical series ng Viva. Oh, talaga gulat ka dun eh, no? May surprise. Yes, this is Christian and sobrang galing yung director.
Ako rin, kamusta naman? Nagustuhan mo ba tong project na to?
Sobra! And napanood mo na ba?
Hindi
pa. Girl, as in, iba to. Di ba, Direk?
Yeah.
Paano naman na...
Ikaw, Derek, na-enjoy mo ba o nainis ka sa amin dalawa katrabaho?
I mean, no, these two are true professionals.
Ay, ganun ba?
Very talented. We had a lot of sequences for the day, but because they're such pros, they always deliver their A game.
Grabe din! Is it your first time to be doing 2 days lang for a whole series?
Yes, pero hindi mo mafe-feel na 2 days lang. Di ba? Kasi kahit ang daming sequences per day, parang ang saya kasi. Na-enjoy mo talaga na parang hindi ko nga naramdaman na pagod ako. Parang gano'n.
Sequences, hindi ko akalain kinaya ko yun! Yun na nga guys, super exciting. Ito yung bagong project ng Viva na makukuha na kakaibang mga stories. And of course, this is really fun kasi first time ever makakaroon ng vertical series dito sa Philippines. Napapanood natin yan sa Facebook, yung mga Chinese drama. Ngayon, meron ha. At saka nakakatuwa kasi I saw some of my old friends, sila James Blanco, sila Raisa Sinon. And of course, syempre yung team ng Akin Ka Lang. I'm so proud of them. Proud of us na meron kaming nabuo na magandang project. And ngayon naman, tatakbo agad tayo kasi magpo-promo din ako sa isa kong series ng I Want na AFAM Wives Club. Kaya tara, tayo sa tayo dito! So, ito na nga, nagda-drive na ako kasi mag-girap tayo, wala tayong driver. Joke! Kulit na. Girap tayo. Hindi, mapunta na tayo ngayon sa ABS. So, syempre, kailangan natin mag-promote ng isa pang trabaho. Dahil kailangan natin mag-work. Work. Excited na ako makilala niyo yung mga cast members. Actually, nakakatuwa.
Nakakatuwa sila. Sana lang makikita niyo si Buntis, si Marie, kaso nga lang hindi ko lang alam. Manganganak na kasi siya, nasa ospital na eh. So, hindi ko lang sure kung makikita natin siya. But, super exciting! Hello! So, tara-tara na.
Dito ka. Hi, girl.
Hi, girl!
Pretty. Hello.
Hello.
Okay.
Welcome.
Ito pala guys, ito pala yung kaaway ko sa show, si Kaylin.
Ako talaga.
Oo. Joke lang. Oo.
What is up mga kapamilya? Ako po si Jeremiah and welcome back to Kapamilya Chat.
Yes, hello po, magandang hapon. Yung anak ko baka nanonood.
Shoutout natin yan.
Oo, Penny. Yes, hello, magandang hapon. At tsaka mga kapamilya, good afternoon.
Because I love this narrative about being able to challenge stereotypes about family relationships. And I think my husband and I have a really beautiful story that we'd love to share with everyone, right? And the second is really to have this platform for advocacy. So as a lawyer, with my husband as a programmer, we built a platform together to make legal services accessible, and that's really what we wanted to utilize. We wanted to utilize this opportunity to share with everyone this amazing platform that we've built together.
Actually, nag-no ako 2-3 times. Yes! Kasi sa akin kasi, you know, at first kasi they were talking about, we want to share you and your partner to the world. And sabi ko, wala akong partner na share. Sabi ko, ayoko ng ganyan. Sabi niya, sino nang may naliligaw ba sa akin? Sabi ko, wala, I'm not interested. Sabi ko, me, myself, and I, if you want. And then, I think at first kasi the first, yung stage ng show is they really want to show your foreigner boyfriend. Sabi ko, well, at ang share ko lang yung past experiences ko from them. So, sa akin siguro for me, I was like, you know what? Even though it's a bad or whatever, it's still a learning. People will still learn from my story. Di ba?
Yes, because it's life experience. Actually, the best teachers and lessons that we get is from wisdom.
Yeah.
What they could see from this show is the wisdom that we can share from them.
Actually been very vulnerable in the show, and I think a lot of people will be able to connect with that. Because you know, when you show your true self, when you're vulnerable, it's very relatable.
So, I think what's really great about it is it's reality. Not everybody is going to be to have a Disney story. Pero it's really how you end your story in life. Wow!
Mula sa Kapamilya Chat at AFAM Wives Club,
I-avisaryo na yan!
Hello guys! Ito na nga kasama ko ang cast members ng AFAM Wives Club. Siyempre, our first,
Kayleen. Hi, I'm Julia.
and siyempre lalabas na po yan sa I Want sa November 11, 8 p.m. See you guys!
See you there. Subscribe. Don't forget to tune in.
Kuya. Oo, meron.
Gusto mo na ditong mag-co-working space?
Oo, gusto ko.
Ako din gusto ko rin dito sa ABS. Oo.
Let's pick our seats here.
Lonely ka? Ay. Sasabihin nila mamaya, lumayas na kayo. Oo, di ba? Joke lang. Ay, hindi. Ang hawakan ka lang. Oo. Hello po, magandang hapon.
Sorry to interrupt your meeting. I just wanted to say hi.
Ano ang ginagawa mo dito?
Ano?
Ano ang ginagawa mo dito?
Chill lang.
Chill lang.
Lagi naman tayo.
Oh my God, no.
Wala po inuman dito.
Oo.
Wala na kita?
On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you like it?
It's a 1. It's a 1.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how good is the first episode?
8?
8. It's a 1.
Hindi pa tapos yung... What do you mean by trees?
Yung music, what Keratin. Oo, Brazilian blowout.
Brazilian blowout.
Ano, wait lang, So, binibenta mo na yung As Abogado here sa ABS?
Yeah, guys, if you need a lawyer, if you have any legal problem, go to askabogado.ph and you can consult lawyer online from 600 peso.
Wow! Pero pag ikaw itatanungin, libre lang.
You can send me message.
Ay, ganun. Hindi, wala na. Ayaw na nila. Kasi gusto ng Pilipino, libre. Libre lang. That's nice.
All out siya ngayon. She's a changed woman. Yeah. Thank you so much.
The universe and the world for changing her again, putting her back to the right vessel.
Wow! Anong vessel yun?
Ito na yung vessel.
Vessel. Anong Tagalog ng vessel?
Pinsan ni Babel.
Hello guys! I just want to say thank you so much for joining me today. Ang daming nangyari, ang dami natin pinuntahan, and I hope you can watch the next video. At syempre, marami tayong pasabog na ipapakita pa sa inyo. See you soon!